Hello everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you to my new module called Bear's Pricing Tables, which is a module of 12 different templates for pricing tables, and I'm going to show you all about them. Very simple to use, highly configurable, right from the admin. Let's get started. Okay, so here you can see the first pricing table. It's number 1207, and I'll show you what that means. The blue here is the featured version of that table. The white is the unfeatured. Here's 1214. Here's 1223. This has nice little animation for your hovering. 1240. 1255. These icons are fully changeable. They're just fun, awesome icons. Real simple. 1265. 1276, and you see now you can do 5 column. And you can do 1 through 5 columns with any of them. And here you see the font awesome icons for the featured list. I'll show you about that in the back end. You can do any color you want. I don't have, well, I'll show you that. I'll turn that on. Let's see. So I'll show you 1207. Here's 1299. 1404. 1464. And the featured one has larger triangle here and is zoomed in a little bit. And you see this, these are different sizes because of this wrap right here. Okay, that's why. Here's 1517. Here's a red version. Very simple. And a very simple black and white version. And this is all colorable. You can easily change these colors. So let's take a look. So here's 1276. We'll use that one. And you have full description of what each one is, what it looks like, that kind of stuff. You can choose, like I said, you can choose 1 to 5 columns. Let's go 3 column for 1276 for now. Your border style, you can have a solid border, you can have just a shadow, or you can have both. And here's your border width. Here's all your colors. So you can control the different colors of different things. The accent color is this color right here. This is the accent. Okay. Fonts, we support Google Fonts. Just put in your font name like Railway, comma, Arial, and it'll go get both of those for you. Okay, you can change the weight of the font, title font. The subtitle is this little thing right here. That's your subtitle. All right, and then each column is exactly the same, but you have full control over each column in case you want to style the columns differently. Okay, there's your subtitle that we talked about. Feature list. The feature list is this down here. This list right here. Those are your features. So we're talking about features, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about featured. Okay. Let's go back. Let's refresh and go to 1276. Oh, I didn't save. Ha! That might help. Okay. So when we're talking about featured, this is non-featured, these two here. This one's featured right here. Okay? So that's where the featured, non-featured comes from. Now, we talk about icons. Let's put the FA-home icon in. We're not going to change anything. We're just going to let it be the default color. And it's going to be in the top center. So we hit save. We go look. And there it is in the top center. I'm not sure why it's italicized. That's kind of interesting. Why is that italicized? I'll have to look into that. Oh, it's not. It's just the style of the font. Never mind. Okay. So you've got top center. You've got top left, top right, price left, price right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. When we say price left, price right, we're talking about right here. Okay? That's what we're talking about. And these are the feature icons. And that's this icon down here. That's what that is. And you just style each column exactly how you want with the features you want. And you can change your mind 1 to 5 columns anytime. Very simple. So we'll go back here. We'll put it to 5 columns so they can see what 5 columns looks like. There we go. And all done. And that's all there is to the pricing tables. Oh, let me show you. Almost everything is using CSS variables. So it's very easy to control everything. Okay. So here's a list of the variables, what they do. Kind of get you started here. And then, like I told you, we've got 12 templates. There's 8 icon positions in the header. As we discussed, you can have 1 to 5 columns. You got Google Font support. You have icon support. Again, we're using Google Fonts for the features and for all the icons. And we're using Joomla's built-in Font Awesome 6 to use the fonts, so there's no extra software being loaded, just what Joomla already has. Let's see, using configurable featured on columns. We discussed that. Fully Joomla 5 ready. It was built specifically for Joomla 5. I'm sure it'll run on 4, but it was built for 5. And we do use the Joomla update system. That's all built in, and it will be free forever. If you'd like to donate, that'd be great. Doesn't have to be $9.95. It can be any amount you want. But if you do donate, that would be fantastic. And you can download it right here from GitHub. It tells you all about the changes we've made to the last release. And there's your module right down there. So that's all there is to it, folks. I hope you find it useful, and have a nice day.